The in-out movement screen is an efficient way to view or perform a task for a group of reservations that share similar criteria. That might include, say, all reservations arriving, departing, or in-house. Here or here. By default, the screen opens to today, but can be changed to a different day or date range. The screen remembers your last choice. This is the list of reservation groupings. I'll explain each one based on the assumption the screen is set to today. Every reservation that has an arrival date of today. The reservations that have not yet arrived. Those who are due to depart today but have not yet checked out. Those who have already checked in today. Note that these two numbers will always equal the figure in this group. Those who have already checked out today. This is the list of every reservation staying through who are not departing today. Reservations using facilities for all or part of the day. This is the total number of reservations with a departure date of today, regardless of whether they have yet to check out. These two numbers will always equal this one. These criteria are typically used when a guest is leaving the property but will be leaving their belongings in the room. It can also be used to flag when a rate type on a reservation is changing, say from daily to weekly. By default, all matching reservations will be displayed, however you can modify the search by selecting a group of accommodation categories. Setting up groupings is covered in upcoming training videos. Check this box if you only want to see the master booking for group reservations. This will hide all of the individual reservations for the group. Clicking on the status buttons will create the list of matching reservations in the main screen. There are many columns of data relating to each reservation. The columns can be dragged across the screen to display the data that is most important to the user. RMS will remember the last configuration of the screen each time it is open. To reset the columns to the default view, click this button. Larger lists can be better managed by sorting the columns. Each column can be sorted by simply clicking on the column header. For example, resort the name column from A to Z by clicking once. Click again to sort from Z to A. Several actions can be performed from this screen. First, select the reservations. This checkbox can be used to select or deselect all reservations. Then click on specific reservations to refine the list. Then choose one of the following actions. Print bulk registration cards. Check in all reservations on the selected list. For departing guests, this reverts to check out. Send an email or text message. This is an excellent screen to send bulk correspondence. For example, you might build a list of everyone who departed on a selected day and send an invitation to complete a satisfaction survey. A quick browse down the list lets you use your discretion to omit some reservations from the list. Whilst this process only takes moments, it allows the user to create a better targeted list. The in-out screen can also be used to start a reservation.